Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I switched my car, so say hi to my car friends. We are outside of Meijer today. Meijer has kind of the same ad as last week, but they're focusing more on Memorial Day kind of food savings. So if you plan on having some kind of cookout or get together, there's some really good food deals this week that I'll go over a few of them. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Now guys, don't forget we have the buy 5, save 5 items. I did post a lot of the good deals in last week's video, but I also wanted to point out these Quest chips. Now they've been a lot cheaper in the past, but I feel like these are probably the cheapest they're going to be, especially how the price of gas is affecting like everything. Also, I was looking for these. Now, I've only tried this brownie one and it's really good. I plan on grabbing probably one of these because I need a sweet treat after lunch at work, and I feel like these would be better than me having a couple pieces of candy. Also, side note, do not get these Prime Bites. I don't know why people like them. I don't. If you like them, I'm sorry. I just can't. I've tried. I bought the multi-pack once from TikTok, right? Because I thought that they would be good. They sound really good, but they just taste like dirt to me. Easy deal on Tylenol. You're gonna look for the 24 count of the extra strength. It is $4.69. We have a $2 digital coupon for this, making it $2.69. Or if you need the larger containers, about like $11, we have a $3 digital coupon that works for those. We have a cheap little travel find for clearance. This mini bath sponge, just 75 cents. You can grab easy savings on the Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser. It's $4.99. We have a $3 digital coupon, making it $1.99. These Ollie body washes are on sale for $9.99, and you're going to grab your two favorite ones. I personally haven't tried these, so I don't know which ones would be good, but grab your two favorites, and we have a buy one get one free digital coupon, making them both $9.99. Another super great deal is on the Soapbox Hair Care, another product I personally never tried, but you're gonna look for the ones that are $8.79, so none of this like styling products, but grab two of them. We have a buy one get one free coupon, making them both $8.79. We have a great deal matching this by $75 worth, and you'll get a $20 Catalina with the Kimberly Clark offer I mentioned last week. So we are going to stack both offers because one is a store coupon and this one is a store promotion. Plus, we're going to use manufacturer coupons. So we're going to pay our net cost for this whole deal is going to be less than $30. So the first product you're going to grab is one of the Huggy Little Movers or the Little Snuggler boxes that are $28.99. Then you're going to grab one of the boxes of the Huggies Overnights that are $28.99. Lastly, you're going to grab two of the bags of the Little Movers or the Little Snugglers. They're $9.99. So grabbing all four products, I'm not going to stack them all together because I'm not going to be doing this deal, but grabbing all four products, so your total will be $77.96. So we're over the spend $75, and we're over the spend $50, get $15 off for Kimberly Clark. So we met both promotions. So for the Huggies Little Mover box, we have a $4 digital coupon. For the Huggies Overnights box, we have a $5 digital coupon. And then for the two bags of diapers, we have a $5 digital coupon. So after all of those coupons come off, plus the $15 off for the Kimberly Clark deal, you'll be left to pay $48.96. But we'll get the $20 Catalina to use in your next transaction, making your net cost $28.96 for all four items. Also, check out your store. Mine has a lot of like the winter long sleeve kind of items, an extra 50% off. So just in the women's area. So, I mean, that might be a great way to stock up on some new clothing for next year. Or if you're like me, I live in Wisconsin and the weather can be hit or miss every day. All right, I just happened to be walking by this area. Like, these don't actually belong here. So I just wanted to point these out. But these, I think they're margarita glasses. I don't know. That's kind of what they look like, these ones. And then this one, maybe like a wine glass. Anyway, 90% off. Or look for this Good Cook pan set, 10 piece, 50% off. I think that's actually a really good savings. Honestly, this week, besides like this for the cat food or the dog food version, there's really no good deals on pet food unless it's like the repeat deal I did last week, or if you're going to be grabbing some of the fancy feast items. I think we have coupons and ibotta rebates for those, or the Sheba products are buy 10 get 2 free, and I think there's fetch offers for this. Not sure. Okay, I saw these. These aren't on any kind of deal, but look how cute. Little Supergirl. I guess they're not shaped any way. Probably not, but I think the packaging is cute. Little dog with the Superman cape. I think that's cute. And they're part of the buy 5, save 5, I guess. Don't forget to do this deal if you want to, because the coupon does expire at the end of the week. But Tide Pods and Tide Liquids that are on sale for $12.99. They have a $5 digital coupon, making them $7.99. This week, everyone got a spend $25, get $5 off on Hinkle products. I think I sing that name right. But anyway, here's a scenario that you can do to save a great ton of money. But you're going to grab one of the 84 fluid ounces of the Persil liquids that are on sale for $12.99. Next, you're going to grab one of the Snuggle dryer sheets that are the 80 count ones that are on sale for $3.79. Lastly, you're going to grab one of the all free and clears, the 73 fluid ounces, that's on sale for $11.99. So for example, these would be the 3 products you would grab. Your total is $28.77, so we're above that $25 mark. For the Persil, we have a $3 digital coupon. For the all free and clear, we have a $2 digital coupon. And for the Snuggle, we have a $1 digital coupon. So after that, plus the $5 store coupon for spending $25, you'll be left to pay $17.77 at the register. Then you're going to take your receipt and submit it to ibotta for $2 back on the Persil and $3.50 back on the all free and clear, making all 4 products just $12.27. Now, this is a repeat deal, but don't forget about the Arm & Hammer that are buy one, get one for $1. And if you haven't used the digital coupons, we have $2 digital coupons for the liquid, for the power packs, the scent booster. So if you want to grab $2 will come off the $5.99 price. And since you're only paying $1 for the other item, only $1 will come off that item. So over in the cold brew coffee area or some of the packs, we have some clearance starting. It looks like most of them are about 25% off. It's a great start. We have buy one, get one free on these Pompeian olive oils, $13.99 or $12.99. Easy dinner ingredients are these ready pastas by Barilla. They're buy one, get one free. You can mix and match between your favorite styles of pasta. This is a repeat deal from last week, but the coupon does expire at the end of the week cycle for Meijer. So I just want to point this deal out. But the Nor pasta sides or the rice sides are $1.39. You'll grab 2 of them. We have a buy one, get one free digital coupon, making them $1.39 for both. Another clearance find is on the Mott's Soft Bake Filled Bars. They're $2.30. Dang, guys, I really want these. $2.64 is a really good deal on Oreos, but I'm getting Puff Bars instead. This is a repeat deal, but I do want to mention it because it is so good. It's on these Jimmy Dean protein waffles. They're $5.69. We have a 50% off each total purchase coupon. It's total purchase. So they'll take 50% off of each one. And we have, so you'll pay $2.84. You'll submit to ibotta for $2, making them 84 cents each. It is a limit of 2. Since ibotta is a limit of 2, you can grab more. They'll just be a little more expensive. The 4 count of regular muffins are buy one, get one 50% off this week. The double chocolate is definitely my favorite. Y'all, this is my favorite deal. I love DiGiorno pizza, and they have the 3 meat. I always add a can of like the mushrooms, the pizza mushrooms that are like in the homemade pizza area to one of these to make it more filling. They're $3.99, but I'm going to save more money on them. So I actually wrote to Nestle, like I emailed them. I remember to email companies like once a year, and I'm like, hey, I really like DiGiorno pizza. Can you send me coupons? So they sent me $2 coupons. So I'm going to use $1 off of each one. So also, ironically, they printed my full first and last name on these, like right under where my thumb is. So I feel like they're more personalized for me. But anyway, so this is how I'm going to do my buy 5, save 5. I found these, look at these. I found these 75% off. I got 3 of them. I left a couple there for more people. But I'm going to grab the 2 pizzas, 2 Built bars, and the Dove deodorant spray. I mentioned this last week. There's a $4 coupon for this. These are cheaper than Walmart price with a buy 5, save 5. So this is a great stock up price for food items for me, plus the Dove. 99 cents a pound for the family size pack of chicken drumsticks. Or if you prefer the regular Tyson brand, if you're brand specific, they are buy one, get one 50% off. We have a really good deal on Oscar Meijer bacon. The smaller packs that are $7.79 are buy one, get one free. No digital coupon needed. Dole salad starters are 2 for $6. Too bad these aren't the kits. I would totally grab them at 60% off, but I need more in there, and that's just too much for me. The kits are also 2 for $6, but there's none of them that are on clearance, sadly. And I didn't get any only for you digital coupons this month, so I can't even grab like extra savings on these. Because usually like once a month I'll get extra savings on salads. Sweet corn on the cob, 5 for $2. Alright, we're back in from checkout, and it's just like awkwardly bright, but it's just like not, it's cloudy, but it's just awkward. But I only grabbed the buy 5, save 5, and the 3 clearance cat treats. So let's go over my receipt. So you can see this is the Built Bar. I grabbed 2 of them, so $1 came off of each one for the buy 5, save 5. Now, before y'all tell me that these are unhealthy, I can't imagine it being more unhealthier than Reese's peanut butter cups, because that's what I like to have, and those have protein, so hopefully I stay fuller for longer. I'm so close to hitting my first mini weight loss goal. I'm not really weight loss. It's more like trying to have a better, healthier lifestyle, basically. But anyway, then we have the deodorant spray. You can see the $4 digital coupon came off, and then the $1 for the buy 5, save 5. Then we have the pizzas. So we have 2 of them, and $1 came off of each one. Then we have the Blue Buffalo cat treats that rang in at 99 cents or 90 cents. Guess what? The coupon scanned perfect. I was waiting for it. I wanted to be like, see this name? I can pull my driver's license. It has my same name on there. But they scan perfect, which is super awesome. So my subtotal before taxes is about $27.75-ish. There's nothing to submit for, basically. I don't really have any ibotta offers. I didn't have any fetch offers for anything I was grabbing, so it's my final cost. But I feel like I grabbed good savings, in my opinion. But anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.